Hello, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you my favorite way of making Ghana Waakye or rice and beans. Let's get right into it. I'll be using a combination of red beans and black-eyed peas. So this is about a cup and a half of each. I'll first soak it in water for about 10 minutes to release some of the gas, and then I'll rinse it thoroughly, and then into my pot I'll add in my waakye leaves or sorghum leaves, and then I'll come in with 10 cups of water. I'll cover it and allow it to cook until the beans becomes tender. Now whilst the beans is cooking, this is my secret ingredients. I'll be blending about a thumb size of ginger and about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and then I'll set it on the side. It's been about 25 to 30 minutes. I'll check on my beans if it is tender, and then I'll add in about a teaspoon of baking soda. You can definitely omit the baking soda if you're not fond of it. I'll allow it to boil for about 5 minutes, and then I'll remove my sorghum leaves or waakye leaves. You can reuse this sorghum leaves, so most of the time I like to keep it in my freezer for future use. I'll come in with 3 cups of jasmine rice, half a tablespoon of salt, my oil, and then I'll add in my garlic ginger paste and then give it a stir. I like my waakye to be very soft, so I'll add in another cup of water. I'll cover it to cook until the rice absorbs all the liquid. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe if you have not done so. God bless you. So at this point, the rice has absorbed all the water, so I'll give it a nice mix. I'll use my spoon to create a well or poke holes, and then I'll cover with aluminum foil and then cook the rice on low flame for about 15 minutes or until the rice is tender. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, commenting and sharing. God bless you. So 15 minutes later, my waakye is nicely cooked. It is fluffy and just the way I want it. Guys, the garlic ginger paste gives this waakye the best aroma and taste that you can ever imagine. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turns out. Now it is time to serve and enjoy, and everything that comes along with waakye is on this platter. Guys, and I'll be sharing my waakye stew recipe with you very soon. This is by far my favorite way of making waakye. It is so delicious, and the garlic ginger takes the waakye to another level. You're all invited to eat with me. Thank you for staying with me until this time, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.